This guy in a funny video ma after John Chiemelie and Emerson. Do you understand me? The guy after Kankuli Fenku, he got to go concerning no nine over the Igbo. He got to go nearly a lot of phone all in the name of an eye and Biafra. I will keep on telling you the honest truth. About that in a tree or now, Buroni Igbo. Na kana ajanyegi, netogi, na pogomen on ground, ni Igbo no ni mafia. Go buy very soon. Let me tell you, and I know my reasons. Do you understand? Now this guy get after come the video, the guy Burubia. Do you understand me? Whatever in a father is, I will help you. I will help him. Yotago, Mbowa, Fonyobo. Nigerian police need to see his face. Nigerian army need to see his face. And the Tiger base and every security personnel in Nigeria need to live face because of even Futalo Bobo, boy and napping corner in the name of getting Biafra. You understand me? They are the criminals. Don't have any boy, don't have village, not terrorize the village as say in the name of getting as of freedom. You go. Now the guy Bialeba saying that now okay, don't worry, we are coming for you. As you don't talk or nothing like Biafra. We after you. You are now a red flag to us. Any chicken tree must be a target. Do you understand me? Now, where's Yama? On 29th of November, put body, we are no more hiding. We are engaging you people one by one, silently sabotage like you. So, only if also farm of fire na pomabolo, ambo sabo, they understand me, or how much did they pay you, or ego ne okay, they understand me because of again I'm not worried. Now look at this young guy, supposedly bad family. Look at this young guy now. One day I got you at trial affair because I say that now, as well as I say that you are coming after me. He gave you muzo weather. I know why I'm telling you this. I know that you got for this video. But to akwe follow see that you are coming for me. You get me very soon. I had that for you. Yeah, I'm not worried. I'm soon that now. From now, no January, you can another score. Yotago. We mechaze we me Imo State governorship election another governor we bata. Oga akunu ga amanu na ga ebi konu na gara ebi. The reason nji apụta ebe a na-agwa gị ka ibido kịta anụ mazobo onwe gị n'ọkpa ka eji achụ ife danala na mmiri. Do you understand me? Na-efife ka eji achụ ewu ojii. Yotago. Hope ụzọ dị mma na-achụ unu n'ọla Abuja. Another governor nwere ike ọ bata ya alaike na Abuja na Imo ka ọ ga-anọ. A na-etu unu si wee chọọ ya oge enye ya unu woto. Na-aghọta na unu fụrụ ife na-eme na Anambra steeti oke n'ọfịa ngwere gịnị n'ụzọ. Do you understand? Nkwachakwa gị chọọ ya n'eno. O nwere onye Igbo n'obodo oyibo na-achịnye gị Biafra. They are just manipulating you, deceiving you, selling one kind of narrative for you to believe, giving you hope. Biafra. Biafra. Faji ife cash out in Isigi. Do you understand what I'm saying? Each one money pray alone video if na kogase. Propaganda and the lying and the projecting one kind of story to gain one information in the name of Nana Chinyege Biafra. Look at this guy Ketana. Akwa nwa mmadụ nwanne mmadụ. One day kita na-etipịa ya. One day kita etipịa ya. Ụlọ oge gentle ụnọ. Kedafi ya bụ nje makeup. The other guy kita na-abụ UC. I go lie for you. And so many other young talented Igbo guys. The name of Biafra ha na-etipịa si onwe fa. Na-agwa ya kita anọ nwe esi m na-eti galụ. There is no retreat, no surrender. Also say ebe na-azọ Biafra bụ na village gị. Ma enwegasịla amị barak na steeti gị. Gọvanọ gị na-eji convoy ya aga. Senator gị na-eji convoy ya aga. House of Representative gị na-eji convoy ya aga. Fana another allocation suppose ịbata na ya village ma ya local government. You never one day get ịkwụchi elife ụzọ. na nkwa ndị gị na afa na-atakọ the same afọ anọ na village ka ị na-achụfu si na-terrorize si na ị na-achọ freedom ahụ fịọwa gị ọnụ onye na-akọ that rubbish. Dala, you see you, don't worry yourself.